Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel Guelo John. I am your host John. Today I'm going to be doing a custom kit bash using this Legends Creation Stanley from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 spacesuit version. This is a really good KO. It's a knockoff of the Hot Toys version, but they've done a really good job of it. And Legends Creations do some terrible stuff, but this one is actually quite good. If you want to see the full review of this, because I've already kit bashed my one. If you want to see the full review, go to 16 Cave, which is where I found out about this one. It'll also give you a link to where to get it for the £50. And he'll also do a comparison, or he also did do a comparison with the Hot Toys version of this, so you can see the complete differences. But the Hot Toys one, it's £250. This one was £50. You guys make your own mind up. If you're just going to use it for a custom, brilliant. If you want the Hot Toys, obviously buy the Hot Toys. So I'll come back and show you what I've done with this. Okay, this is what I've done with him. As you can see, I've seriously dirtied him down. He is filthy, but he's I'm keeping him in the sort of Guardians of the Galaxy theme. He would be a worker from nowhere, mining in space. As you can see, he's floating. Inside of him is the Coup Models Jack 3. It was a very cheap figure that I bought years and years ago, and really didn't fit into any of my collection. I've only ever seen two others of those. There were two produced, Jack 3 and Jack 5, and the only other place I've seen them is on the YouTube channel Sparks Torn. He had them years ago too, and was also wondering what to do. So there you go, mate. If you want to get this costume, you can bung them in there. You could do two of them. They're pretty good. As you can see, I've put the he comes with mining tools because he is a miner. So you've got like a laser cannon here thing and a drill bit there, and he's got blades. They all attach to the hands. I'm not going to do it because I've already wired those up. I should have taken some pictures when I did do it before. It just looks like they're floating in space, weightless on wires tied on here, and it's just wire that I've painted black with shrink wrap. Clamp it all the way down, makes it look like it's some sort of a handle, and these actually hold onto the handle on the backpack. What else I did is I also changed the magnets inside of this thing because they weren't very good. So I've lengthened this particular part, and I've changed the magnets in these. I've changed the magnets in the top too, made them so much more powerful so they hold on. But he's still fully posable. You can put him whatever you want. You can stand him, do what you like with him. Also with this one, he has light up eyes. So if I just flip him on, boom. There you go. Don't know how well that's picking up on camera. His eyes light up blue, but in the without the lights, he does look absolutely amazing. He's pretty cool looking. I'm really pleased with the way that one turned out, and I managed to pick up the Coup Models figure inside of him for 25 quid. So all told, this has cost me £75. £75 for a figure like that is just, well, I can't fathom it. It's just beautiful. But he did need a lot of work dirtying down. He comes quite clean. So if you want a really clean one, you can do whatever you want with this particular suit. It's superb. And it does. You get everything. You get the big backpack. The boots are great. Obviously I've dirtied my boots down a bit more. I'll take some pictures. But I've put loads and loads of weathering on him because he's drilling out flesh from a huge head. That's where Nowhere is. If you've seen Guardians of the Galaxy, Nowhere is just a massive alien head that they're taking all the mining resources from, all the minerals and stuff. So he's covered in lots of sort of different colours and splurges. I mean, I like it. I'm really happy with it. But if you want to see the full video on this one, go to 16 Cave. And this is for you, buddy. I told you asked people to do some strange stuff, and this I think is quite strange and quite cool. I like it. Okay, you guys have fun. I'll get Ryan to put some pictures up and edit it, obviously. You have fun, stay safe, and bye for now.